Hey guys, this is Josh Y2K2000 and today I have 3 videos to react. So my 3 reaction is Sonic Generations Plot, Sonic Boom Redesign, and Sonic Lost Cause. And let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, play. Somewhere, sometime. Oh, there's Sonic.
Keep up.
Almost there!
Really, Tails? Really? Whoa!
So, you think this might be Eggman's
That is
lair?
cool.
I don't know. It looks pretty suspicious, but I'm
What?
not quite sure.
Where did that come from?
Oh, Sonic.
And there's
Long time
Eggman.
no see. Eggman, long time no see.
Sonic, Tails, long time no see.
Oh.
Long time no see.
Oh my
Both
god.
shut up. So, Sonic, you're probably wondering how I got out of deep space from our last encounter. Nah. Wait. Really? Yeah, I don't really care. It's actually a complex story involving the supernova phenomenon colliding with a black hole.
Too bad.
Just skip to the part where I kick your ass already. Actually, that won't be
Language.
necessary. The fact of the matter is, I've reformed. I'm no longer evil.
Wait, what? What?
Well, that's a relief.
Yeah, I was getting tired of you tricking us into thinking you were good and then being evil again. But it's good to know that you actually mean it this time.
Yes, indeed.
Okay.
Your chaos. Okay.
Oh wow.
Whoa!
What? Where are they taking?
Idiotic statement.
What?
So
What? Who are those guys? Oh my
Tails,
god.
why'd you catch me?
I wanted to keep the joke running.
What joke?
Nope.
Oh yeah, that reminds me. Where are we? No.
Wait,
Way past uncool.
that's Sonic from the beginning?
I'm Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh,
No way, man. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh
But that
my.
is a pretty good line
That's
there.
the one with
I
the
think I'll
first
start saying that
game.
whenever people ask who I am.
Jesus.
Seriously, what the hell's going on here?
According
Wait.
to this device, we somehow arrived 20 years in the past.
Oh my
no wonder
god.
This place looks familiar.
This is just insane.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm Tails. I'm gonna be your sidekick 1 year from now.
Gee whiz, your voice is annoying. It's like you're voiced by a girl or something. Boy, I hope I never have a sidekick.
That is
like you.
rude.
Uh-oh, time paradox! Time
What?
paradox!
So, are
Uh-oh.
there any other sidekicks I meet in the future?
Sonic,
Guys, I'm kind of fading away over
Sonic, you
here.
have to do something with
Most of them
Tails.
aren't that annoying. I mean, there's Knuckles, who granted has the
Come
ultimate
on.
tinfoil.
Dude.
And then there's
Tails
Shadow,
is gonna
who
be
kinda looks like you,
invisible.
but has no personality outside of folding his arms.
There's still a
Sonic.
chance.
These guys sound like the lamest group of
Oh
jackasses
my-
on Earth.
Dude,
I never
hurry
liked any of
up.
them.
Language, Tails.
When did I dye my eyes green?
Seriously? And yeah, James Barkley, who plays Sonic.
Yes, it's just as the ancient bullshit foretold.
What?
All right, Deadly Six.
Okay.
You work for me now, and I order you to go kill Sonic.
Sonic.
Blue
Wow.
Hedgehog, about 3
He
feet
doesn't
tall,
even know
has a
Sonic.
huge eyeball with 2 pupils. He's a freaking circus act. You can't miss him.
Well, now they're going.
You know we're just gonna betray you at the end of this.
I'm used to it.
Later.
Mr. Sonic, how come you're the only animal here?
Really? Why is the bird talking?
Oh, I'm not the only one. I'm sure one of my retarded friends is around here
What?
somewhere.
Retarded friends? Oh my god.
Let me make my entrance.
Yo, those animals just shocked.
Oh yeah, this is happening.
Okay, well, let's just get onto it then.
You Sonic. Oh yeah?
Okay then.
You'll have to catch me first. Let's go.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Sonic is a bit of a wuss.
I know.
A what?
He just ran away.
I mean, how does he
Well, why did you just catch him already?
midget farm animals? In fact, let's do that just to teach him a lesson, okay?
We'll just go then. What?
I'm off on a new
Did he?
venture. La 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 la.
Wait, what?
Green Hill Zone again? Come on, guys. Look,
He does not like that.
Green Hill Zone, first iconic level and stuff. But for f***'s sake, do I have to go through
Jesus.
this stage every time you guys want to make money?
Make money? Well, that's true for getting coins.
Well, that's boring.
Yeah.
Slightly less boring.
Not that boring, come on.
Not bad.
Well, what do you think?
Oh yeah,
Wow,
that
I'm liking your new
TV
design.
show, yeah.
Hell, I just might ask
I
you-
forgot.
Really?
Sorry.
I mean, we might all look different, and I might have this scarf that kind of makes me look like that homicidal maniac from Uncharted.
And why
but
did you
I'm
like
still gonna be
that R sign with that real Sonic on the poster?
Tails, looking good.
And his face.
Like, why are they making us wear all these bandages on our legs?
Apparently, it's supposed to be sports tape because that's totally necessary now.
Sports
for some
tape.
reason. I mean, I think it makes us look pretty badass.
Yeah.
What?
Not as badass as a yellow fox, a blue hedgehog, a pink token female character.
Oh
Screw you
my
and a
God.
red kitten. In fact,
Tails,
Knuckles
come
hasn't
on.
finished his design yet.
Well. What the Knuckles, what the heck?
Didn't you ever watch that after-school special about how dangerous it is?
I
to
think
take
they don't like that. They think it's a little stupid. Oh my.
Come on, guys. This is just so I look like the big, strong.
Am I
tough
supposed to
guy
laugh
I'm
at that or
supposed to be.
what? Or does it look a little
You
weird?
can tell he's been taking steroids. His dick and balls are totally gone.
What?
Hey, I never had those to begin with.
Oh my God. Seriously?
Wait a minute, you never had those to begin with either. Yeah, but I'm not the big, strong, tough guy. Now am I?
What?
Well, that's boring.
Oh my God. This is gonna keep saying that
Slightly less
again.
boring.
Wow. Well, that was okay. Cause I don't know. I was a little confused on my mind too at what Knuckles steroids do. Well, I don't know. That's kind of weird. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. Subscribe to me and peace off.